from the body language company in London, IPB Ltd, which stands for Institute for Personal Development and Body Language in London, United Kingdom. Now, this topic that I will share with the company called Propel Guru, which is an amazing company by the way, is about discovering funneling and its $1 million results. Now, the first thing we're going to talk about is why funneling and why jet engine science. Now, leveling and multiply yeses. If you level with somebody and you have that connection, your yeses will go through the roof. Now, if I would know what your pain is and I could deliver that pleasure, would you be interested? Now, we all get objections from customers, from prospects, and if you know these objections are coming your way and you can handle them in the first place, would the result be different? Would your outcome be different? Of course it would. Now, and you can ask yourself that question like, hey, what if? If I could deliver an X factor of my company towards your company and your company will benefit from that, and I would say, hey, what if I could deliver that? Now, one of the subjects will be ask and you shall receive. And if you ask for things, you will indeed receive. I'll explain to you later how that works. I look forward to share with you, together with Propel Guru, this amazing knowledge about funneling. Until then, take care.